Hello friends, today we bring Digitek microphone, Digitek tripod, Digitek holder, mic holder and Digitek gimbal and different type of microphone, single, dual for Android and iOS. Let's see what type of microphone and tripods available with us. As you can see here, we do have a different type of microphone, Digitek brand. Let's see which type of microphone. This is a Type C microphone where you can use this in all type of Android phone and as well as iPhone 15, 16 and 17 where you will get the Type C slot. So this is a single microphone. Same in Type C, we do have a dual microphone where you will get dual microphone, and in this mic you will get 20-meter range microphone for iPhone lightning slot where we do have a single microphone as well as dual microphone, and this is also used till 20-meter length. Now we will explore premium segment. This is dual microphone where you can connect with the Android and iOS as well. So they have given here Type C connector as well as Lightning connector. You can see here, and you will get two mics, and you will also get this power bank for microphone to charge, and this is very useful for Insta Reels maker and also a YouTuber vlogger, and you can use up to 40 meters range, and you can also see here noise cancellation is also available in this mic. So this is a very useful mic. Again, this is a Digitek brand mic, and this is also you can use in Type C and as well as iPhone Lightning and Type C. And this is a very small mic but powerful, and the shape is very good. You can use this microphone up to 40 meters, and also you will get digital display for charging, and this is a power bank where you can charge your microphone while traveling. So again, this is a premium range, and so you will get the noise cancellation and also real-time monitoring option you will get in this microphone. And this is one of the best selling product in Digitech, square shape Digitech DWM101 Pro, where you can use this mic up to 100 meter. You can record with noise cancellation, and also you can have a real time monitoring option available there. So whenever you are recording, you can also listen your voice, and you can improve your voice quality. This microphone can be used in Type C Android phone, digital camera, amplifier, computer, laptop, desktop, and mixer as well. So this is a very useful mic for everyone who wants to upload their best quality audio recording on Instagram, YouTube, or in other platforms. This is a handheld mic adapter where you can hold a mic wirelessly. This mic can be easily inserted into this, and you can also put this condenser on that, and so you can use this mic. This is very useful for who take the interviews of others and want to hold the mic properly. And also we do have this kind of all mic holder where you can, it's a magnetic mic holder. By this you can shoot the video very stable. And also we do have this gimbal. We do have this selfie stick tripods, two in one, with Bluetooth remote. We do have a different type of models. We do have this type of tripod and selfie stick as well, where you will get this type of light, and you can also rotate 360 degree that light. And we do have this strong, and with 6 feet of height, and this is also very strong, and you can use this for mobile as well as camera, so you can use as a professional. So this all type of tripods available with us. We do have a ring light as well in 19 inch. So if you want to purchase best quality tripod, selfie stick, as well as microphone for your mobile, computer, laptop, desktop, or camera, so please do visit our store at Kukatpally, Hyderabad. Our store is located in Kukatpally, Hyderabad, pillar number 742, or please do call us on given number on the display. Like, share, and subscribe for this type of video. Thank you.